Hey everybody, my name is Karina, welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make delicious spaghetti Mexicano. This is such an easy and delicious recipe. It's so good, creamy, my kids love it. If you guys wanna see how I make it, keep watching. For this recipe, we're gonna start off by making our salsa for the spaghetti. I'm gonna be using 6 Roma tomatoes that I've cut in half. For a more flavorful salsa, make sure your tomatoes are ripe. I'm also gonna add 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 of a white onion, and 2/3 cup of water. And now we blend. I've set my pan on low-medium heat and I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, I'm gonna add the sauce. If needed, you can strain your salsa, along with 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. We mix, increase the temperature to medium heat, and we cook until it's boiling. Once it's boiling, we're gonna lower the temperature to low. It's now boiling. I'm gonna reduce the heat to low. This is the perfect time to check if you need more chicken bouillon. Mine, I'm gonna add a little bit more. I added 1/2 teaspoon more, and we leave it cooking for another 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. Our salsa is now ready. I'm gonna turn off the heat and set it to the side. I've set my pot on medium heat with 7 cups of water, and I'm gonna add 1/4 of a white onion, 2 garlic cloves, teaspoon of salt, and some oil. And we're gonna wait for it to boil. Water is now boiling. I'm gonna add 16 ounces of spaghetti pasta. Give it a stir so the spaghetti doesn't stick. You can follow the directions on the box, but I'll be cooking it for 10 to 11 minutes. It's been 11 minutes, our pasta is now ready. I'm gonna remove the onion and the garlics. Now we're gonna drain the pasta. Our salsa has cooled off, and I'm gonna start adding 2/3 cup of crema mexicana. We mix until it's well combined. Once it's well mixed, I'm gonna turn the heat back on low. And we're gonna wait for it to come to a boil. It's now boiling, and I'm gonna start adding the pasta. Once the spaghetti is mixed in with the sauce, we cover it up and cook for 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes and our pasta is now ready. And now I'm gonna serve myself. I like to top it off with some queso fresco and a little bit of cilantro. And there you have it, delicious spaghetti Mexicano. This is such a delicious and easy plate to make, and my family loves it. All right, guys, my favorite part, and I'm so hungry. This would be perfect with some chicken, grilled chicken on top. It's so delicious. If you've never made it, you definitely need to try it. Cheers. It's super creamy, so delicious. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.